Good morning, students. Let us talk about molecular mass and formula unit mass in this video. So we have studied that the mass of the atoms is known as the atomic mass. So in the same way, the mass of the molecules is termed as the molecular mass, and it can be defined as the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms which are present in a molecule of that particular substance. Also, molecular mass is expressed in atomic mass units, which is denoted by the letter U. Now let us see some of the examples to how to calculate molecular mass. Firstly, we are taking the example of water. The formula for water is H2O. It means that water is made up of hydrogen as well as oxygen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 unit. As you can see in the formula that water is made up of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So we have multiplied the atomic mass of hydrogen into 2 because there are 2 hydrogen present in water and 1 oxygen. So when we add the atomic masses of both these atoms, we get molecular mass of water as 18 unit. Similarly, you can calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. You can memorize the atomic masses of first 20 elements from this table. Now let us talk about formula unit and how to calculate formula unit mass. So the term formula unit is used for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. So if a particular compound is made up of ions, then we say it as formula unit mass. So the formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. Calcium oxide, NaCl, calcium oxide, NaCl are some of the examples of formula unit mass. Now let us see how to calculate formula unit mass, and it is calculated in the same way as we have calculated the molecular mass. Now let us see the example of nitric acid and sodium oxide. The chemical formula for nitric acid is HNO3. It means that nitric acid is made up of 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit, that of nitrogen is 14 unit and of oxygen is 16 unit. And because there are 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms, so we multiply the atomic masses of these atoms to 1, 1 and 3 respectively, and when we add these we get 63 unit as the formula unit mass of nitric acid. Similarly, we can calculate the formula unit mass of sodium oxide, that is Na2O. So I hope it is clear to you that how to calculate the molecular mass or formula unit mass for a particular compound. Now in the next video, we'll talk about mole concept, and that is the last topic of our chapter. So we are going to discuss that in our next video. That's it for today. Thank you.